Hi everyone. Today I'm going to go through all of the most recent Happy Mail I've gotten between Valentine's and St. Patrick's and ACOs. I wanted to show you some of the fun Happy Mail that I've gotten. So my first one I'm starting with, this comes from Melody at Melody's Magical Adventures, and it was just a Valentine. We sent each other Valentine's cards. And then she sent me, oh my goodness, an amazing assortment of stuff. A new journal with blank pages. This cute little box with all kinds of goodies in it. Oh my goodness. Some little tiny stamps. How cute are those, right? Some lovely washi tape. There we go. Some fun ribbon. All kinds of like flowery things like this. See, all kinds of them. So fun. So fun. And butterfly shapes. This will be great to stick in. Then all these cute little stickers. There's like a whole lot of them. See? Oh my goodness, I dropped one. Another little bag of really cute stickers. These are from the park. Stamp designs. Whole bunch of red buttons. So fun, so fun. That's not even all of it. Hold on, let me clean this up a little bit. Holy cow, Melody. Chipboard. Oh no, it's all the alphabet. See? Chipboard alphabet. Oh, alphabet stickers. Oh, fun. These fun stickers. Connections Club reward. So close to my heart. More stamps. What? Look at all this. She like really spoiled me. There's some company called Close to My Heart. Paper. Holy cow. And an accordion album. Wow, thank you, Melody. These were all awesome. Holy cow, like you totally spoiled me. Thank you so much. So much. No, the others aren't as grand, but they're just as great. So I don't remember who sent me, maybe it's in here, this cute little bag. But inside, Valentine stickers, and you know, fun little chipboard things, and the bag's adorable too, so I'm sure I will use that for something. And then this lovely card made by Marie, and she left it blank so I could use it. It's so cute. Look at that. So adorable. And it says, "You are adorable." It's a happy friendship day. So, so that was from Marie. All in this, I think. Yeah, lovely envelope. And then this is from Michael. Is that how you say that? Michael? Not quite sure. But lovely envelope. Such a fun sticker. And then a fun Valentine's ornament. So fun. And I love the card. And from my tribe sister. Thank you for the lovely Happy Mail. An empty envelope. This one, oh, not labeled on the back, but a beautiful heart painted by one of my tribe sisters. Thank you. I'm guessing this is from Gerald, because the card and stuff are with it. This is probably the one that goes to Maria. Let me see. Or, yeah. Then I have another lovely one from another tribe sister. Luana, I think it is. Luana, thank you. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. And then this one's from Liza. Adorable. Adorable. Is it a card or just on a board? I think. I don't know. Might be a card. There we go. I didn't want to. Yes, a little card. Thank you, Laura. And then I got a card and a gift card from Delcina from a pen pal, and some Starbucks from her. Thank you, Delcina. That is awesome. And then another adorable card. I think this is made by Nancy. Look at how cute that is. Thank you, Nancy. And like a little verse card. And I think that's it, friends. I think that's it. So thank you, all my lovely friends, for all your wonderful. I know I have. I thought I had my ACEOs, but I'll have to find them. All right, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.